Best platforms to sell digital products in 2021. Hi guys, today I am telling you about best platforms to sell digital work in 2021. So let's get started. Up first, we have Etsy. Now, you might have heard about Etsy. Etsy is an amazing marketplace where you can sell any products you want to. And when it comes to digital work, when it comes to digital products, you can sell them on Etsy as well. You get your own store, you get your dropshipping options as well, and you can create your own store in Etsy. The process is very easy, and Etsy actually allows you to have all of these different features and options in which you can actually sell anything on Etsy. So if we're talking about the digital work, then Etsy is actually one of the best platforms that you should actually check out. And you can actually create your own store on Etsy, and then you can sell your digital work or your product right here on Etsy. And the good thing about Etsy is that it has huge audience, so people will get access to your product very easily, and you can actually put up a reasonable price for it, and you will actually get it because Etsy has these buyers and people are always looking for different stuff on Etsy. So the variety of products on Etsy are actually amazing. So you will be able to sell your product very easily and very effectively, very fast on Etsy. So yeah, when it comes to digital products, do check out Etsy right now. Don't think that it's just for the clothes and other stuff, but for digital work as well, Etsy is amazing. Next, we have Shopify. Now, you might have heard about Shopify as well. And when it comes to Shopify actually allows you to sell your digital work as well, where you can put up your products and sell them online. Now, Shopify is actually a bigger platform than Etsy, and it has a lot of audience that are looking for digital products, and that will help you earn money by selling your product. And what happens on Shopify is that you can actually create your own your customized store with the option that is not available on Etsy. Like, Etsy is amazing, you can create a product, but on Shopify you can actually have a good customized store where you can actually have your digital work on sale. You can put up a good price, and you can sell them in no time because Shopify also has huge audience. The drop shipping is amazing, it is fast, it is available in almost all countries of the world, and it has all of these different integrations and partners. So yeah, when it comes to selling your digital work, Shopify is a great option. Next, we have Kartara. Now, Kartara is one of the platforms that is all in one. Why I am saying this? Because you can see right here, if I go to features, Kartara actually allows you to make pages, to do email marketing, you can do memberships, surveys, you can make videos, calendars, forms, affiliate programs, integrations, and API analytics. So it is an amazing platform, and when it comes to selling your digital work, it's an amazing platform. You can see the greatest all-in-one platform. So if you like a platform where you can actually create your own landing page, where you can create your own store, where you can do email marketing, where you can put up your products, where you can add integrations, then Kartara is amazing because it will allow you can see Kartara pages, Kartara leads, Kartara mail, and then surveys and quizzes and courses, forms. You can do anything. And another good thing about Kartara is the customer service. They have amazing customer service. So, and that's actually pretty hard to find these days, right? So if you like good customer service, you're looking for all-in-one platform. I personally like such platforms that allow you to do all of these things in one, so you don't have to go to different platforms to do different things. So for that, Kartara is amazing, and it will really help you a lot to sell your digital work very easily in 2021, and it's not that expensive as well. So you can go ahead and sell your digital work on Kartara right now. Next, we have Teachable. Now, you might think about that, what is Teachable doing here? But Teachable is an amazing platform that has all of these online courses and all online products that you can avail. You can actually teach and do courses yourself. You can coach people. So when it comes to selling your digital products, Teachable is amazing, and I have seen people, selling their courses online. And you can actually, sell any course on Teachable, and you can teach whatever skills you have. So Teachable is a platform where you can actually, if you're just sitting at home and you're good at gardening, or you're good editor, or maybe music, you can do online classes. You can sell your digital products, or if you have an app or softwares, you can actually sell them right here on Teachable, and it actually pays you a good amount. So when Teachable is actually very professional and very easy as well, not that hard, and you can actually avail a lot of opportunities on Teachable. So yeah, do check out Teachable when it comes to selling digital products. The next platform we have on the list is called Payhip. Now, Payhip is the easiest way to sell digital downloads and memberships, and it is one of the platforms that are created for selling digital art and digital products. The platforms that I mentioned earlier were, all in one, Etsy, Shopify, or Cartera, Teachable. They have all of these different options as well, where you can actually, sell other products as well. But when it comes to Payhip, Payhip is created for selling digital work. So that's pretty amazing. It is born to do this, right? It is a customized platform to sell digital downloads. And when it comes to selling your digital work, selling your digital art, or anything, maybe your softwares or memberships, you can actually do that on Payhip. And you can see their features, digital downloads and memberships. And the good thing about Payhip is that it's not that expensive. If you're looking to buy digital work, digital memberships, then it's not that expensive. You can see right here all of these things, like look at this is just $5, €3 and $14. So it's pretty good platform to sell your digital work right here. Payhip, do check it out. Next, we have WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce, you might have heard about it. It is one of the most famous e-commerce platforms out there. Now, if you already have WordPress, then it's a piece of cake for you, because WooCommerce allows you to create your own store with your WordPress and with your website or blog, and you can actually have your own themed store where you can sell your digital products very easily. So the good thing about WooCommerce is, as I mentioned, it's pretty amazing. It has all of these integrations. You already have a website, a very professional website, and then you can have your e-commerce store as well. So that's pretty amazing. And when it comes to extensions, there are a lot of extensions that you can do with e-commerce, marketing, selling, delivery, shipments, and all of that. And it has all of these themes as well. So pretty amazing. When it comes to WooCommerce, you can create a store and sell your digital work right here just with your WordPress. And of course, if you have your WordPress, then it's not a problem, but if you do not, then it's pretty easy actually. And then you can actually customize and expand as well. You can do the drop shipping and stuff like that as well. But the point is, if you are looking for a platform to sell your digital products, do check out WooCommerce. It's absolutely amazing. Next, we have ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is one of the platforms where you will find this amazing hub of digital products. And when I say hub of digital products, is that it's the look of the website, and when you discover ClickFunnels, it literally feels like you have entered this world of digital collections and digital work, because you can find courses and you can find softwares, you can find these amazing products that are online. You can actually find softwares, you can find courses, you will find a lot of things on ClickFunnels. It's very professional and very versatile when it comes to selling your digital work. And if you are looking for a platform to sell your digital work, sell your digital products, then I think ClickFunnels is one of the best platforms out there. It will take some time to, get used to it, but if you have a membership, you will actually learn and then you will actually love it. And the process actually is pretty easy as well. Like, for example, add an email list. You can actually create your landing page and then build value, collect money, and click upsell. So, and deliver your products. So you can actually, do the drop shipping as well. You can create your landing page. It is also, you can say that, all in one platform. It also has these, if you want to integrate your social media platforms into it as well, you can do that. And it's pretty amazing. Plans are also not that expensive. So if you have the plans, if you have the membership, then ClickFunnels is amazing. Do check it out if you are looking for a platform to sell your digital work. So yeah, guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to check out all of these amazing platforms if you are looking to sell your products online. And I hope that you will be able to find a good platform to sell your digital products. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.